Hey guys, it's Mega, and today we have a switch so loud that it puts some clicky switches to shape. Let's talk about it. Also, watch till the end, we have a giveaway of a set of these switches. But first, a bit of a disclaimer. These switches were sent over by Unikeys for an honest and unbiased review, and that's what we're going to do here today. What makes this switch so loud? Well, let's talk about its parts and find out. First, the housing. The top housing is made out of PC, which is used in a lot of the most notable clacky switches these days, much like the switches up there. And the bottom housing is made out of PA66, which is including a 25% fiberglass. That reminds me of this switch that we had, a super clacky switch as well. Almost too similar to the Akko Starlet switches, which I reviewed recently. Check it out up there. As for the spring, it's made out of a 22 mm spring with an actuation force of 45 grams and a bottom out force of 55 grams. The stem is made out of POM and it's a long pole stem. Of course, it travels 3.2 mm across the switch. I don't think you can get a loud enough switch, especially something this loud that isn't long pole. But you be the judge. Here's the sound test of these switches on my Neo 70. Conclusion. The KTT Teresa at first I thought was Mother Teresa or something inspired that would give some soft, calm, soothing sounds like a caring hug or something. But KTT wanted to create something different from what they usually make, and they made this switch that had their new molds. If their goal was to make a super loud switch, I think they did it. These switches make everyone know that you have a mechanical keyboard, but not in the way that a clicky switch would sound, but in a way that people get curious and ask about your keyboard and how they could get their own. The switch is lightly lubed and it feels smooth and solid to type on. It doesn't feel like its lube is overflowing off the switch. No watery bottom out or no sluggish typing feel. So if you want to get these switches, links will be in the description. Or you could try to win them. I'm giving away a set of 90 switches. You just have to look for the secret pop-up in the video and also a bit of formality stuff in the description. So anyway, if you got to this point, thank you. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Have a great day.